outside the ring. You don't want to spend too much time outside the ring, though. At the ring.
Yeah, you know, this is one of those, you know, expressions you got to have eyes in the back of your head. You got to take care of your own business, but you got to watch at all times what's going on behind you.
And you don't necessarily have to do the damage. You capitalize on whoever does do it.
That's true in case of Reigns when wrapped to Randy Orton. They've developed quite a rivalry since the night Rollins turned his back on the Shield. Orton turning his anger to Reigns that night. Pinball submission inside. And Reigns went for the Superman punch. John Cena countered, and Cena's got him where he wants him. And a fight for Randy in case the pinball submission has to happen inside.
You don't even have to be involved in the finish to lose that championship.
It's almost like Kane is an afterthought.
Working together
But
in
the
the
devil's
early
face is demon.
I think that's walk out of here like
That was interesting. I know what you're going to say, Michael.
Immediately went to the ropes to make sure Cena didn't get back into the match.
I saw it.
To get involved. Guard was Kane for the Viper.
Picks on who's going to win this thing. Nobody. It's up.
There's Cena from behind. Goes right up to Randy Orton. Fisherman suplex by John Cena. Into the cover. Hooks the leg on Orton. And Reigns pulling Orton in. Oh, and now Randy Orton gets right over the announce table.
This thing, nobody.
It's right over the announce table.
Wow.
He's been taken out momentarily.
Well, this has got to please Triple H and the Authority. This is exactly what he hoped for. This is exactly the way he wanted this match to go. You say submission. I didn't even thought about that much, but this may be
John Cena, funny bulldog to Randy Orton, and Kane right back in the ring.
Picks on who's going to win this thing. Nobody. It's up. Going to win this thing. Nobody.
Rolls away again. Allows Orton to go into the cover as he stands guard.
Man, guys, this is just the way the Authority wants it to go down. Hey.
That's why they're the Authority.
Cena's got him where he wants him. Reigns pulling Orton.
Among yourselves.
There you go. It's up. Reigns.
Randy Orton right over the announce table.
On the floor.
Orton stomping away at the WWE World Heavyweight Champion. Kane had turned his attention to Roman Reigns. And every time Randy Orton's in trouble, guys, Kane comes back in the ring to help out the Viper. And it seems like Kane is now fallen back into line with the orders of the Authority.
Well, we all...
Cena! Kane, Orton on the Kane! Cover of Kane! Push the leg! Cena retains the title! Cena retains his title! It's a moot point at this juncture. Kane breaking things up. It's a moot point at this juncture. Kane breaking things up.
Jhon.